Hi, I'm Mahima, contestant number 4, finalist, आईवा मिसेस इंडिया 2020। एक बहुत ही गंभीर बीमारी की रिसर्च की तो ये जाना कि दुनिया दो टुकड़ों में बटी है। एक है वो दुनिया जहां मर्ज का पता लगाना और उसका इलाज करना बहुत आसान है, वहीं दूसरी ओर है एक और दुनिया जिसमें अनफॉर्चुनेटली हम रहते हैं, जहां मर्ज का पता लगाना ही बहुत मुश्किल काम है। आज मैं अपने इस प्रेजेंटेशन के जरिए दुनिया के इन दोनों हिस्सों में बटी महिलाओं की दूरी को कम करने की कोशिश करूंगी। I will be talking about the two most common forms of cancer in women, the breast cancer and cervix cancer. Breast cancer is a malignant tumor that spreads in the cells of the breasts. और माना जाता है कि भारत में हर 28 में से एक महिला को कैंसर हो सकता है। वहीं दूसरी ओर cervix cancer is that cancer that spreads due to the abnormal growth of the cells in cervix and that can spread to lungs, liver, bladder, vagina and rectum. This is caused by a HPV, a human papilloma virus, which of course is preventable by a vaccine. But despite that, every year 96,922 new cases are detected and almost 60,000 deaths are reported. There is a saying, life is what happens to you when you are busy making other plans. We forget that to live this life there are basic principles, simple principles, and because they are simple, we tend to take them for granted. The first principle, that this life is a gift and everything that comes along with this life is also a gift, including our own body. So we must look after it and nurture it. 2. The importance of introspection. It is so important to introspect, to be able to live a great and a healthy life. What is it that motivates you for it? So that we can live a life with clarity and passion. Third, no matter how prepared you are, life will throw you with a challenge that will act as a surprise and you might not be completely prepared for it. Cancer एक death statement नहीं है, but we have a choice to either be consumed by it and become a victim or turn it into a platform of our growth and turn the worst situation of our life into the narrative of a triumph, because the courage and the wisdom lies within us. They say courage is not the absence of fear, it is doing in spite of fear. तो कैंसर के इस खौफ के बावजूद कैंसर से जीता जा सकता है, बेशक। थैंक यू।